Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stacy Quinn. I'm the proud owner of Bossy Glamworks Boutique. And today we are going to be talking about finding your audience and thinking bigger than your social media timeline. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. So I wanted to pop in and do a really quick video about marketing to your social media timeline. I do see a lot of boutiques sharing what they sell in their clothing boutiques on their personal page. And I want to stress the importance of separating the two. Your personal social media pages are just that. It's for family, friends, sharing birthdays, milestones for your children, and things like that. You need to be able to separate the two because you're creating noise, if you will. Your friends and your family are not your target audience, and they're probably not going to buy from you anyway. Sure, you may have a few of them that buy from you here and there. Can you honestly think about any family member or friend that's purchased more than 10 times from you or on a consistent basis? No, they're going to support you, but they're not going to be the ones who keep your business running. When you're building a brand, you have to think bigger than your timeline. Listen, there are billions of people in this world who may potentially want what you sell, but you're never going to reach them if you're scared to come out of your shell and you're constantly marketing on your own timeline. They're never going to find you. And another thing is you shouldn't add random people through mutual friends, or if you know this person and you've got a bunch of mutual friends with the hopes of them purchasing from you. That's not a good strategy either. You need to be able to separate the two. Make sure you create a business Facebook page, a business Instagram page, a business TikTok page, a business YouTube page, a business Pinterest page, whatever platform that you want to be visible on with your brand. I cannot stress this enough. Please make sure you separate the two. Your customers are not interested in seeing pictures of you at the beach, pictures of your kids' birthday parties. They don't want to see that kind of stuff. They want to see what you're selling. And I know that sounds kind of harsh, but at the end of the day, you're running a business and you're building a brand. Now, if this is just a hustle and you're not just hustling, do you, okay? But if you're really trying to build a brand and you're really intentional about this business and you want to go far, and this is something that you really, really, really want to do, please, please, please stop marketing on your social media pages that are personal. There are billions of people in this world, so why are you trying to convince people who already know you about your brand, but they don't represent your customer base? Your personal Facebook page is not your business funnel. It's your comfort zone. You have to get out of that. You have to get out of your comfort zone and you have to show the world who you are and what your brand represents. Just because someone's your friend or family member, that does not mean that they're your customer. And randomly adding people and begging them to like your page isn't strategy, it's desperation. The goal is to attract qualified traffic, not familiar faces. You need to learn how to market beyond your personal network using real data, paid ads, and audience insights. So again, I just wanted to pop in and do a really quick video and just stress the importance of being able to separate the two. Your personal page is not your business page. Stop messing around, get intentional about your business, start learning paid ads, and stop relying on your personal platform for sales. If you guys need help, I do offer a Facebook crash course. It's for $27 and it gives you an overall view on how to run ads. Think bigger than your timeline. There's so much money out here to be made, but I promise you, you're not going to find it on your personal timeline, okay? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.